belai kana hambai sini folk music college ni srengnai jigram no tabok phaidi जों समाय tangmani bakak thangnai ang aboni bagai jora renai sini TTADC ni no borong gonang chief executive officer Mojang Bolinder Borma no ojora ya phri jago tabok sar no ojora ya phri
Khumwlwng kahamo TTADC administration ni pokho theke ang jotonono hambai jotonono khulungkha. On this historic day, we are now conducting oath-taking ceremony for chief executive member and other executive members. As per Constitution of India, 166 Schedule 1 Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Constitution, Election and Conduct of Business Rules 1985, His Excellency the Governor of Tripura has appointed G.K. Rao, Administrator of TTADC, to administer oath or affirmation to the newly elected member of District Council. So, I will call upon first CM will take oath. As CM has been already elected in the first meeting, and it is known by everybody who is CM. So we have brought here, and he is sitting on the stage. Other members whom CM has selected, I will call upon their name one by one. Now first, Suhail the Borma has been selected as executive member. So I request Suhail the Borma to come over and take off. Oh, sorry. First, I call upon Purnachandra Jamatia, who has been elected already as Chief Executive Member, to come here and take out.
Ang
Mojang Purnachandra Jamatia matai ni manggai semai tanggai sajawo khakrakhe poito naragai semai tanggai sajawo ang Bharat alambak ni bisingte khaja kerongno poito kubuite kharok bomoi sajawo ang Bharat ni phan keplai te pathalai mungno khapang khulasa khlaioi khlaihoroi tongnai anobok jak achok phang tipra samolok bai thangnai koljak khangkor kokjap nokni sari phang adong okra ni samungno bebak ni pagai keboni bukha koyawi eba kirima guri khlaioi eba baksano sajakma te baksano sajagya khlaiyawi eba kebono khorok sabai gedaloi eba khoijagoi samungno tanglak hangkor kokjap nokni chai phang adong okra angoi kerongni bisingti ano samung yaphar jagmani eba ang saiman ma a samungno tangpro kebo bai dadak sidak eba kok rekewi sajakla
you. CM ot nabaikya tabo ang koyo Suhel de Bormano oro phaina bagai ebong ot nana bagai. Mr. Suhel de Borma. Hey, bagis di. Aro ising ito.
Ang mochang Suhel de Borma Kaitoni Mungui Semai Tangi Shazao Khak Rakhe Poitunargui Semai Tangi Shazao Ang Barot Elembag ni Bisintei Khazak Kerano Poitu Kubuiti Khorok Bumi Shazao Ang Barot ni Phan Keplai Te Kethalai Mungno Khapang khulasa khlai hori tongnai ano bokjak achukrem Tripura Tiprasa baithang naikoljak hangkor koksab nogni charifang adong okra charifang adong ni samungno bebak ni bagai keboni bukha koyawi eba kirima kri khlai eba baksana sajak mate baksana saje khlaiawi eba kebono Khorok sabai gedalai eba hujagai samuno tanglak hangkor kokcap nok ni charifang adong okra eba charifang adong unggai kerong ni bisukti ano samung ya farjakmani eba ang saiman ki as samung no tangfur kebo bai dadak sidak eba kok rekau saglak hamai
Yang tabo executive member ngkha doli riang ang bono koyo oro phai sobor nana bagai. After support you just come. Abuk support nanai doli riang.
I, Srimati,
I, Srimati Doliria, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will hold up the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Chief Executive Member for the Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chief Executive Member for the foresaid District Council, except as may be required for the discharge of my duties as such Chief Executive Member. Thank you. Executive Member is.
Now I request Rajesh Tripura bo executive member ni bagai CM by nominated khaijaka. Legal paper. You can fix this later on. Rajesh Tripura, please come forward. We fill up later on. Just let him sign. Hey, only signature, bro. बात हम लोग किया करते हैं. As a culture, you look like that can be done later.
Ang Muchang,
Ang musang Rajesh Tripura kaitone mongoi semai tangoi sajao hak kerake poito nargoi semai tangoi sajao ang Barat elem bag ni bising toi hajak kerong no poito kuboi te horok bongoi sajao ang Barat ne phangtor plai te kathalai mung no khapang khulasa khlaioi horoi tongnai ano bokjak asukrem Tripura tiprasa mulok baithang naikoljak hangkor kokjak nokni charifang adongni samungno bebakni bagoi kebuni bukha koyoi eba kirima koroi khlai eba baksano chajakma te baksano chajaya khlaiaoi eba kebono khorok sabai gedalai eba bujagoi samungno tangla hangkor kokjap nokni eba sarifong adong ongoi kerongni bisingtoi ano samung yafarjak mane eba ang saiman ke a samungno tangfuro kebobai dadak sijak eba rekoi saglap
Lagi hambai, Morok Chini, Hainai Shalni, Chini Neta, role model, Morok, Tero Loko Tibrasano, Salongai. Abuni Pore, Bobo Ranjan Riyang, Bobo nominated by CM. Executive member হিসেবে বনাং কয়ো ওর ফাইনা বাদে বাবা রঞ্জন রিয়া Chairman Sijak Tongo oblique EM by EM in Sadita.
Ang Muchang,
ang muchang boboronjan riang kaitoni mongui sumai tangui sajao kha kurakhe puito narugui sumai tangui sajao ang Bharat ilembagni bisingtui khakjak kerong no puito kubui tei khorok bomui sajao ang Bharatni phan kuklai tei kuthalai mung no khafang khulasa khlaiui horui tungnai angno bagjak achugrem tipra songduk mulok baithang naipoljak hangkhor kokjak nokni charifang adungni samung bebagni bagui keboni bukha koyawi eba kirima kurui khlaiwi eba baksano chajakma tei baksano chajakya khlaiyawi eba kebono khorok sabai budalui eba hoijagui samungno tanglak hangkhor kokjap nokni charifang adung ongwei kerongni bisingtui ang samung yafarjak mani iba ang saimankhe os samungno tangfruk kebobai dadak sidak iba kok rikui songlak hambai
Honorable. Abuli pore ang Kojawa Onimesh Deborma oro phaile executive member ni শপথ নানা বাগৈ প্লিজ নামাজ তো না
Ang Machang Onimesh Deborma Kaitorni Mungui Samaitangi Sajao Khak Rakhe Puitonaragi Samaitangi Sajao Ang Bharat Elembagni Bisingte Khajak Kerongno Puitu Kubuite Khorok Bomui Sajao Ang Bharatni Phan Kaplaite Kathalai Mungno Khapang Khulasa Khlai Horui Tongnai Ano Bogjak Achukrem Tripura Tiprasa Muluk Baithang Naikoljak Hangkor Kokjap Nokni Charifang Adungni Samungno Bebagni Bagi Kebuni Bekha Koyawi Eba Kirima Kerei Khlai Eba baksano chajakma tei baksano chajakya khlai eba kebono khorok sabai godalei eba huijagei samungno tanglak hangkor kokjap nokni charifang adong ongei kerongni bisingtei ano samung yafarjakmani eba ang saimankhe a samungno tangpuruk kebobai dadak sidak eba kok rekewi saglak hambai
আপনি পরে চিত্তরঞ্জন দেববর্মা ব এক্সিকিউটিভ মেম্বার হিসাবে অর ভাই শপথ না পাইদি আং বনো করি
Ang Muchang,
आं मोजां चित्तरन्जन देबबर्मा कायतोनि बुंगै समाय तांगै साजाओ हाक राखे बयतो नारगै समाय तांगै साजाओ आं भारत एलेमबागनि बिसिंतुइ खाजा केरांनो बयतो गुबै तै खरब बमै साजाओ आं भारतनि फान कुक्लाय तै गोथां लाइमुंनो खाफां खुलासा खलायै हरयै दंनाय आनो बगजात आचुग्रेम त्रिपुरा संदुक मल बायथां नायकलजा खांकर ककजात नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुंनो बेबाकनि बागै केबनि बखा कयावै एबा गिरिमा गोरै खलाय एबा बाक्सानो जाजाकमा ताई बाक्सानो जाजाकिया खलायावै एबा केबनो खरकसाबाय गोदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांला हांकर ककचाप नकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंति आं सामुं याफार जाकमानि एबा आं साइमानखे आ सामुंनो तांख्रु केबवाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेतोय सागलाक खुलुमबाय
Now I request in today's list, he is the last person, last executive member, Khumwlwng. I request Khumwlwng to come over here and take on.
Ang Muchang,
आं मोजां कमल कलय कायतोनि मुंगै समाय तांगै साजाओ खाकराखे पयतनारगै समाय तांगै साजाओ आं भारत एलेमबागनि बिसिंतै खाजा केरंनो पयतो गुबैतै खरक बमै साजाओ आं भारतनि फान कोप्लायतै गोथा लाइमुंनो खाफां खुलासा खलाय हरै दंनाय आनो बगजाक आचग्रेम त्रिपुरा सामुलक बायथां नायकलजाक हांकर ककजात नकनि चारिफां आदंनि सामुंनो बेबाकनि बागै केबनि बखा गयावै एबा किरिमा करै खोलाय एबा बाक्सानो चाजाकमा ते बाक्सानो चाजागिया खोलायावै एबा केबुनो खरक साबाय गदालै एबा हुइजागै सामुंनो तांलाक हांखो कक चापनकनि चारिफां आदं अंगै केरंनि बिसिंते आनो सामुं याफार चाकमानि एबा आं साइमान खे आ सामुंनो तांफोरो केबोबाय दादाक सिदाक एबा कक रेकेवै सागलाक जतनन हामबाय।
We are almost concluding today's oath-taking ceremony of Chief Executive Member and Executive Members. Now little more is left behind. Borongno Khumwlwng Boron Khainadi. Then this ceremonial function is concluded. And I request all the guests, leaders, peoples, dignitary personalities, whoever attended this occasion to remain seated. And I request as a ceremonial constitutional occasion function is over, I do request Bubakra, Mebar Kumar Jamatia, Tribal Affairs Minister, and other dignitary to come over the stage and take seat. Now no bar, because it was for executive member and CM only. Now that constitutional event is over, so please, Bubakra, members and other dignitaries. Okay then. Okay. Borno Disha Khumbai Bornkhai Ride Nade Abuni Kore volunteers আমরা আনকয়ো Borno Kisha Tipini Bevoska Khaimani Abo Bagai Rina Bagi Oro Bagai Rimani Kore electronic media press ফাইনাই রবজাতে বাদ খেলাইতে হংকাই চিনি অনেক বড় জাগারি মালিয়া উই কুনট accommodate in why because it has the maximum capacity of 400. Others very willing people, persons, they have come. We have allowed them to sit under the pandal. So volunteers তাই দেশে গ্রুপ নরম ও প্যান্ডেল আসু তোমরাই রনব মিষ্টি প্যাকেট বাদ দি আর অরব বাদ দি তাব ইলো এআরডিডি এনপিও ফিশারি নরম টিম ন দাগিদি ওকে Ambai joto nono.
기자 공동